The elements of which are as follows. The offender, so meron kang offender, makes an attack, employs force, makes serious intimidation, or makes a serious resistance. That the person assaulted is a person in authority or his agent. That at the time of the assault, the person in authority or his agent is engaged in the actual performance of his duties. Ito yun. There is no denying that VP Duterte Carpio and Colonel Lachica did not attack. This is not the case here. Clearly, the acts attributed to VP Duterte Carpio and Colonel Lachica do not satisfy the stringent criteria for direct assault. Dito nagka-problema sa actual performance of his duties. So, dito sa direct assault, actually dalawa. Una niyang problema dito, mga kotsero, wala akong direct assault na naganap. It should involve a physical attack that gives an injury. As in talagang masasaktan si police. Yun yung direct assault. In this case, sabi ni Prosec, hindi pwedeng direct assault kasi hindi serious. Ang force is hinawakan lang sa dibdib. Pinigilan lang ng gano'n.